So this is a limit question. First you put x1. If you get x1, what is this? F of 2 plus x. F of 2 plus x by f of 3. Okay. F of 2 plus x by f of 3. So log is something, right log outside. Move limit into the log function. First rewrite the question. Rewrite the question like this. Apply limit extends to 1 to function. Power is how much? 18 by x minus 1 whole square. Now if you put x1, get f of 3 numerator, denominator also f of 3 by f of 3 1. If you put x here, 1 here, 1 minus 1 0. 18 by 0 infinity. So this is 1 power infinity format. Okay, 1 power infinity, one of the important model for competitive exam. Paksha is ఏ ఎగ్జామ్ అయినా 1 power infinity క్వశ్చన్ లేకుండా ఎగ్జామ్ తీసుకోవాలి. షిఫ్ట్ వైజ్ ఉన్నాం, ఏదో ఒక షిఫ్ట్ 4 షిఫ్ట్ 1 power infinity వస్తుంది. So whenever you find 1 power infinity, what is the procedure? Just apply the standard procedure here. First you raise the question to e power. Okay, so question మొత్తం log అట్లాగే మెయింటైన్ అవుతుంది అవుట్ సైడ్. Inside question e power raised and e power limit extends to 1. Okay, e power limit extends to 1. F of 2 plus x by f of 3 minus 1 into 18 by x minus 1 whole square. This is the procedure for 1 power infinity. ఏం చేయాలి? 1 power infinity క్లారిటీ వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ. కాబట్టి టోటల్ క్వశ్చన్ e పవర్ రేజ్ చేయండి. ఈ పవర్ పెట్టేసి క్వశ్చన్ యాక్సిస్ తీసుకోండి, బేస్ -1 తీసుకోండి, ఈ పవర్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఆల్వేస్ సేమ్ ఫర్ 1 power infinity model. Now if you move with the question, what you get? Limit e power limit extends to 1. F of 3 is the LCM. F of 2 plus x minus 1 by f of 3 into 18 by x minus 1 whole square. Now here substitute values. F of 3 value given, observe, f of 3 given as 18. Okay, so numerator 18, this 18 and f of 3 gets cancelled. E to the power limit extends to 1. Now question is f of 2 plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. What is outside part? Outside is log of. Okay, outside ఏముంది? log of అది కంటిన్యూ అవుతా ఉంటుంది. So if you take 1 here, f of 3 minus 1 by 1 minus 1 whole square. So which it is a 0 by 0 format. చేసాం. ఇక్కడ LCM తీసుకుంటే in place of 1 you get f of 3 కదా. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ f of 3 తీసుకోండి. Now if you put x1, f of 3 minus f of 3 0, 0 by 0. You can go with the L'Hospital rule. F of 3 LCM, f of 2 plus x minus f of 2. F of 3 given as 18. ఇక్కడ కూడా 18 in the numerator, cut this. Now question turn to e power limit extends to 1, f of 2 plus x minus f of 3 by x minus 1 also. Now we put x1 here, 2 plus 1 3, f of 3 minus f of 3 0 by 1 minus 1 0. 0 by 0 you can use L'Hospital rule. That means simple differentiate చేయండి. Limit extends to 1. F of 2 plus x can be written as f dash 2 plus x minus f of 3 constant becomes 0. X minus 1 whole square differentiation 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 1 differentiation 1 minus 0. Okay. Now which is equal to e power limit x tends to 1. So f dash 2 plus x by 2 into x minus 1. Okay. Again, if you put x1, what you get? Only check again. If you take x as 1, what you get? So you get f dash 3. Given f dash 3 and check again once again. What is given f dash 3? Given f dash 3 is 0. Okay. Again you are getting 0 by 0. For 0 by 0, you can go with L hospital rule for second time. Again differentiate it outside log as it is e to the power limit x tends to 1. F dash 2 plus x differentiation is f double dash 2 plus x by, okay, 2 into x minus 1 differentiation, which is 2 itself. 2x minus 2, 2 into 1, 2 differentiation 0. Now log అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా బేస్ e ఉంటది. ఇక్కడంతా e పవర్ నడుస్తుంది. e పవర్ f double dash 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Now put what is f double dash 3. F double dash 3 given it as 4. Okay. So 4 by 2 అయిపోతుంది. So this is nothing but log e power 4 by 2 base e. 4 by 2 is 2. You can write 2 log base e, log e base e 1. So answer is 2 into 1, which is 2. It's not easy question. It's not a tough one. But ఒక్కొక్క షిఫ్ట్ ఒక్కొక్క లాగా ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఆల్మోస్ట్ 1 పవర్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. ఈ 1 పవర్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఇదే. 1 పవర్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ అని మీకు ఐడెంటిఫై అయితే ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ లోనే మెథడ్ అప్లై చేసుకుంటే వెళ్తే ఆన్సర్ ఈజీ వస్తుంది. If it is trigonometry format, go with trigonometry substitution, trigonometry simplification. అట్లా చేయండి. 0 by 0 ఎక్కడ వస్తే అక్కడ ఎలా యూజ్ చేసుకుంటారు. Yes, note చేసుకోండి.